Reports have seen a Boeing 747 that crashed at Mount Rob, GBONIA. The call
The Republic of GBONIA has issued an alert system. Please stand by. The GBONIA government has issued a weather alert warning for an EF5 tornado approaching the following areas: North GBONIA, South GBONIA, and other areas. Please take as much shelter in your house or somewhere as this tornado could cause damage to you and your house. For more information about the disaster, go to www.gbonia.rblx. We will continue our programming.
It is caused by a short circuit. The CVR recorder is still not recovered yet. The plane might have looked